Hey guys, it's Saturday. It's 3:44. I am actually just sitting at my desk here in my filming room, planning out all my videos for the month of February, because February 1st is tomorrow. I already had them like pretty much planned out, but just kind of fine tuning because that Abercrombie denim sale threw me for a loop. I thought it was going to be later in February, so it threw off the calendar a little bit. But anyways, I wanted to have just a little like solo vlog for you guys go up next Friday, and then I realized I better start filming it now or I wouldn't have anything. Tuesday, Mom and I are going shopping. So a week after this vlog, you'll see our shopping vlog, which will be fun. This year, we're doing like vlog style videos on Fridays, but not every Friday. And I know I just haven't done one like this where I just like talk to the camera, tell you guys like what's been going on, maybe try on some new stuff, whatever. It's already late on Saturday. It is cool here in Florida. I know it's cold everywhere right now, but we are actually potentially getting a freeze tonight. I'm not sure if we're going out tonight. Ron is currently editing my Abercrombie denim video that has to go up tomorrow. We can still go out though. I was joking with him that when it's cold out, like we have to do stuff so that I can wear like all my sweaters and jackets and everything. So we did date night last night. I'm gonna pop up a video of my outfits because it was really cute, and I finally wore that cream Sherpa jacket that I had picked up at Loft. If you watched my Loft try on haul, I finally wore the jacket from that haul. I'm gonna give you a little view of the room. I kind of like redid my rolling racks today. I got a new computer in. I still have to unbox it. I ordered a fun pink keyboard, and I'm trying to still figure out what rug I want to get for in here. And yeah, so let me just give you a little view, but I figure I'll just kind of maybe share the next 24 hours with you guys. We did get a rug and coffee table for the living room, so I haven't done a haul in the house in a long time, so I'll just like show you some updates. So this is from the door, right? If I enter, we have this rolling rack over here, and I just put up statement coats, like just really nice coats. I bought so many jackets this year, but I have to say I've worn most of them. We've got some boots, sweaters, my Uggs. This mirror here, which I keep contemplating if I should bring the Anthro mirror into here instead of in the front room. I don't know. Then this is the little rolling rack that's like behind me on the desk. This is more like a casual jacket, just some shoes there. All of these shoes I want to just like move out of the way. I did just get that picture, TJ Maxx or Marshalls or something, but isn't it cool? So we're gonna hang that up somewhere. And then this is the last rack. I just did like all my denim, sweaters, tops, just some basics right there. And then these are the doors. Poshmark stuff is in there, and then like overflow clothes and stuff are in there. I'm gonna sell those jeans. I have so much stuff to list to my Poshmark. Look at that whole pile. Ridiculous. But I want to put a pretty big rug in here. I originally wanted to get this one from, well, Ruggable, they're the best rugs. So I was gonna get, there was an Anthro and Ruggable collab, and I was gonna get that one, but I don't know, I don't love it as much. There's this other one just from Ruggable that I really liked. I think I'm just gonna go with that one. Either like a black or neutral chair. I just have an extra dining chair there right now, but I love being able to sit here. Even though I got a laptop, I got like an acrylic razor for it because I'm gonna use just this keyboard and mouse. The rest of that stuff, I never know, because if you guys don't follow me on like Instagram or stuff, then you won't have seen stuff as much. So let's go into the bathroom. So here in the pink bathroom, I did get these rugs from Anthropologie. I know it's like always a mess. Gotta clean this off. I did get these scallop little rugs, which just look really good. They actually online call them peach. It's pink. Like, look how perfect that is. I do love, oh, there's just clothes everywhere. I do love that bathroom. And then if we go into here, we did get this rug and a coffee table from Pottery Barn. I still need to style the table. We always just have a ton of pillows and blankets. Shay's always on there. Here's a little Shabby. Sounds a little Sherpa. Just chilling. It's really cold. Ron still has to figure out this whole situation because all this stuff needs to be hid behind the TV. When we went to Best Buy to get our laptops, we were going to get our sound system too, but it was just like too overwhelming and we didn't yet. I kind of redid the little entryway here. Little tables from Wayfair, just like some different pieces here. This rug is also from Wayfair, and then I always move this tree around, but I do like it right there right now. It's just kind of like good entryway, I feel. Here's what I mean about this like anther rug. I still have to figure out like what I'm gonna do in this room. Or not anther rug, anther mirror. Still have to figure out what I'm gonna do in this room. Sometimes I just feel like maybe this would be better in my filming room, but it's just such a statement piece out here, and to move it at this point, I don't know. Still trying to get everything straightened in here. So many jeans. Oh, I had another Abercrombie package come. Tomorrow, I'm going to be filming my Wednesday and the following Sunday. If you guys haven't caught on, for 2026, I'm doing hauls on Sundays, trends or style videos on Wednesdays, and then vlogs on Fridays, but those are like optional. And so my next try-on haul is going to be Abercrombie. It was supposed to be tomorrow, but because of the denim video, I kind of just pushed things. So it's going to be Sunday, which is like 2 days after you guys are seeing this. So I'm going to film it tomorrow. I'm also gonna film tomorrow a like winter to spring trends video. I feel like those are always fun. One thing I wanted to show you guys was these socks. So I do Pilates twice a week, and we have to wear socks with the little grippies on them. I bought a bulk pack from Amazon, and then I have like one aloe pair, but I saw that Abercrombie did some and I thought they were so cute. These just say YPB. They're even scalloped and they have hearts. I bought them as a set. These say New York City. There wasn't any like option. I'm excited to wear these. I got some other things in. Some pieces were requested items from Instagram. I'll do like question boxes. These were 2 requested items. Maybe I'll go ahead. It's funny because every time I try to organize this room, oh, and if you guys remember, there was that one like all white shelf that's come with me from all the apartments. Like it's just upstairs in my closet now. I keep being like, oh my gosh, I should have another rolling rack because all the haul pieces should now like go on a separate rack. Which I guess 4 wouldn't be ridiculous. One of the girls on Instagram, she asked me to get the one that says, it was like green and it says like Apres, or no, that was a different one. Wherever Montauk. She asked me to get the one that said Montauk, but I've never been to Montauk and I feel weird buying something. Like I surely wouldn't wear it, so I didn't want to buy it knowing 100% I would just return it. So we got the Charleston one because this is actually like where I would live if I didn't live in Florida. I love Charleston. Look how cute this is. And it's a pretty blue. They recently started doing this stitching on the hood. I always get these in a medium. I love them. So they started doing their little tanks like this, but where they have the built-in cups, so you don't even have to wear nippy covers, a bra, or anything. So I got this fun one that she requested. I actually bought it in black too, just on my own. So I got the black in small, and I got this one in extra small, so I'd be able to compare sizing. I'll be doing that in my haul tomorrow. Yeah, so my Sunday try-on hauls, you guys have probably seen I've been doing a lot more like in-store try-on hauls because then I'm not having to purchase all these items. Yes, I obviously do buy a lot. Like I definitely buy a lot, but I mean, to really do the amount of hauls that I want, I can't buy that much, and it's just ridiculous. And I really love like the Loft one, for example. I loved going in and just trying on every pair of jeans that they had, but like to buy every pair of jeans. And it was interesting because I saw someone post something on Instagram the other night about how they're annoyed when like someone does an in-store try-on haul and then doesn't buy any of the stuff. And to me, it's like, it's to be helpful. It's so that I can be like, this is, you can see what it looks like on, I can tell you what it feels like, I can tell you how it fits, never pretending to buy everything. Like it was just, it's kind of annoying that they even put it. It's like, of course influencers are going to share a ton of stuff. That's the whole idea. If you just shared the same pair of jeans all the time, yes, it would show those are your favorite pair of jeans, but like how many sales are you going to get off one pair of jeans? I just don't know why people have to be so ridiculous. But as I've said so many times, like I'm completely honest about what I return. I might not always be like, I returned to this, but if you ask me, I would tell you. All the stuff I just got from Abercrombie, when I try it on tomorrow, like, yeah, I'm probably not keeping it. I'm going to go to the mall on Tuesday. I'll be able to return stuff. 100% will tell you what I'm returning. There was a point when I did little TikToks and I would be like, what I'm returning at the mall today. We can normalize that we don't keep everything. And that's the thing too, is like when I ask for the requests, a lot of times, not a lot of times, but many times I'm being asked to buy things that I would never purchase because it's just not my style. But you guys are asking me to try it on because you want to see what it looks like. So I buy it and return it. I feel like the brand doesn't care. They're still getting sales. They're like, trust me, Abercrombie still makes plenty of money off of me. So it's okay if I return stuff. I'm still VIP level. I still spend enough because when you return, your points are negative. So I'm still in the positive enough. It's just a little side rant. I'm just going to keep organizing this. I'm still unsure if we're going to go out tonight, or I'm still working on the denim video for tomorrow, and it's supposed to get so cold and windy. It's supposed to be really, really windy tonight too. Maybe we don't go. Morning, it's Sunday. Got my coffee. We didn't end up going out last night because it was just too chilly, and we had a bunch of leftovers, so we just have leftovers. We watched a movie. We watched that movie with Brad Pitt. It's called like F1. I don't know if that's actually what it's called, but it's all about F1, which I can admit that I knew it was racing, but I didn't know it was like those different kind of vehicles. It was good. I liked it. It's currently 30 degrees out and feels like 9 because it's so windy. A lot of times on Sunday we'll walk to Tilly's, which is a local like little coffee truck, but we're not going to do that today. So I just made my coffee here. We have a Breville here, just brewed up in a little Americano. I do the brown butter cookie lot, whatever. It's this really good creamer, but you can only get it during the holidays. So we just opened up my last one. I'm hoping they still have it at the store, so I'm not quite done yet. I like to sit up here in the loft. I'm just like upstairs, and she's there in this little Sherpa. Just gonna plan out my day. Like I was saying yesterday, I've got to film a couple YouTube videos. I have to do some tax stuff for my clinic. Probably do some laundry. That's pretty much it. So probably chill up here for like 30 minutes or so. A lot of times I just like plan my to-do list. Even on work days, if I can, I sit up here and do that. Sometimes I post some stuff on LDK, things like that. Oh, I also have the Abercrombie denim video going live today, so I have to get that all ready, to make the thumbnail, do all the links and all of that. I think Ron isn't like quite finished with it yet. I know he was working on it after we watched the movie last night. And that's my Sunday plan. All right, for breakfast, we're having breakfast tacos. We had some leftovers from the other night. Ron put some hash browns in there. Shay has a dog bed under the kitchen table because that's what it has come to. Because Ron actually eats vegetables. Just finished filming my second YouTube video of the day. I was supposed to film a winter to spring trends video, and I honestly just wasn't feeling it. I haven't really been into trends lately, and whenever I watch any other trends videos, like just nothing's doing it for me. Instead, I filmed a denim comparison video. I have these jeans from Aritzia called the 90s Iggy baggy jeans, and I have them in curve fit and non-curve fit. So I just did an easy video comparing both of them, and oh, actually, it would have gone up 2 days before this video, so you could check it out if you haven't yet. And I'm excited because Instagram really makes me feel horrible because it is so hard to grow on Instagram. I think in the year of 2025, I don't even know, maybe I grew like 100 followers, which is like ridiculous, but nothing does well. And you can like pour your heart and soul into it and it doesn't matter. And I kind of just stopped caring, and I just would like put whatever up. And then you see girls do the same type of reels and they just keep growing and growing. So anyways, it's like, I try not to compare, but it's hard because we're real people, right? Anyways, I came up with this idea called the Denim Diaries, and I'm going to basically just put up a lot of denim videos on Instagram. They're called the Denim Diaries. I saw this girl on Instagram recently talking about you need to have your Instagram be like a TV show that's bingeable where people want to come back for the next episode. So I'm hoping that that's what I'm going to do. Your show could be episodic or a series, but I feel like mine's going to be episodic because you won't have had to see episode 1 to understand what's happening in episode 2 necessarily, because in episode 1 I'm talking about Aritzia jeans. I could be talking about like Madewell jeans in episode 2. You see what I'm saying? So anyways, I'm excited. So Denim Diaries is coming to my Instagram, and then not all of them obviously, but some of them will become long form YouTube videos, which is what I decided to do here because the thought of filming talking about jeans made me smile, where the thought of doing winter to spring trends just was not making me have it. And like, if you're a content creator, don't ever force something because like you guys can see it on the other side, right? So yay, it is, let's see, time check. It's 5:15. Ron is out chopping wood. We have to take Shay for a W soon. Had a late lunch at like 3 o'clock, just had like some tuna, nothing crazy. I think he was going to find a movie to watch tonight too. I know it's not really anything crazy. I haven't even opened my new computer. Ron's like, it's crazy, you got a new computer and you didn't even open it. But that's a whole nother thing. He was supposed to get a new one too. And basically the box showed up empty. Like the Apple box was empty. So someone from either the retailer or the shipper stole the laptop. And this was on Thursday and it's Sunday, and we're still waiting to hear how they're going to fix the situation. Because you guys know Macs are expensive, and it just disappeared. So I feel like I'm holding mine hostage, because if they don't make the situation right, like I will return this one and buy it from somewhere else, because Ron has already spent so much time on the phone, and it's like, it's not our fault that you let an item get stolen. So I am very much like, time is money and do not waste my time. Yeah. So the shipper, the retailer, someone dropped the ball, and whoever's fault it is, like, they need to figure it out. It shouldn't be our time lost, which is money lost. Obviously the actual computer would be nice, but also I feel like they need to give us a little bit of a discount, because it's kind of bull. Plus, like, we were supposed to get the computer like Tuesday, and now here it is Sunday, and they haven't even shipped a new one. And this is a company, this is a retailer that I have spent tens of thousands of dollars at, because all of our appliances came from them. This is probably our third or fourth time buying computers from them. Breville is from them. We need a surround sound system from the house we were going to get from them, so they better fix it. Okay, anyways, I think I'm gonna end the video now. And again, I know this was not exciting. I never left the house after I started this. It's cold out there. We got up this morning, it feels like 9. Ooh, let's do a weather check before I go. I know all of you guys are in way colder places. It's currently 47 and feels like 34. It is gonna get down. Oh, I don't think it's gonna get any cooler tonight. It's just gonna go up from here. So that was it. We survived it. Thanks for watching, guys. Sunday will be my Abercrombie try-on haul that I was talking about earlier. So I'll see you guys then.